Hello everyone, this is the 2N solution. I want to introduce open data through Copernicus Browser operated by European Space Agency. There are a number of satellite image data available to download for data manipulation, processing, analysis, and visualization in your desktop or laptop. It's a very good user interface on this website. First, we can start Visualize section on this website. It strongly suggests navigating this section before moving forward to the Search section. Sentinel-1 data collected from the radar satellite constellation using C-band 5.4 GHz or 5.6 cm Synthetic Aperture Radar, shortly called SAR. Sentinel-2 data acquired with multispectral platform at high spatial resolution 10 to 60 meters over Earth's surface. Like Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2 satellites, Sentinel-3 is operated in sun-synchronous polar orbit, providing global coverage with more high temporal resolution data, almost under 2 visit days. Sentinel-5P is the first Copernicus mission focused on atmospheric monitoring. In this video, let's focus on Sentinel-2 multispectral data because it covers from blue, green, red, red edge, near infrared, and short wave infrared, overland, vegetation, agriculture field, and forest. Sentinel-2 L1C are good enough data quality, not including atmospheric correction. Therefore, it would be better to use this product for scientific research, focusing on the spectral reflectance directly from target on land. Also, it's slightly advanced to use this ESA product for beginners or the public who are not familiar with the spaceborne remote sensing product. So let's use the Sentinel-2 Level 2A data. According to the information on this website, the effect of atmospheric on the light being reflected off of the surface of Earth and reaching the sensor are excluded. It means due to the existence of atmosphere, the bounces of light from Earth's surface then is reach the sensor. The effect of those signals related to target was excluded in this product. On Navigate window, let's explore the Edmonton in the province of Alberta. Go to right panel. You are able to create a region of interest drawing rectangular or polygonal area of interest. Choose date, year, month, day when you are looking for spring, summer, fall, or winter. You could select maximum coverage of a cloud. 30% is default. Once you check your region of interest and preview the image over interactive window, you can see on the layer section true color, false color, composition, normalized difference vegetation indices, NDVI or NDWI, NDSI, and classification map. Please check the drop down the arrow on the layer of NDVI. You can see legend ranging between -1 and 1 in this scene. Go to classification map, then click the drop down arrow. Sky blue color represent these theaters. Yellow color represent non-vegetated like town and the city. And blue and green color represent water body and vegetation respectively. Don't forget the pink color represent snow or ice on the ground during winter season. Go to right panel. You can measure between 2 points on the interactive map. There is an option to download images such as JPEG or PNG format file available, but no georeference, meaning no information on latitude and longitude coordinate value. Take a look at basis, analytical, and high-resolution print on the window. Second, take a look at quickly search section. In the data source, please choose Sentinel-2 MSI is the name of instrument of Sentinel-2 satellite. Check level 2A product rather than level 1C as I explained earlier. Scroll down to the time range between November 2025 and December 2025. There is a time range to choose your preference. Then click search. Couple of seconds later, wow! Based on your region of interest called ROI, on the left panel, there are search results as display. You could visualize before downloading satellite image data. You can download ideally 2 Sentinel-2 products at the same time. It may take around 5 minutes to complete the downloading. Now you are able to open your downloaded Sentinel-2 data using up-to-date Snap software, QGIS, ArcGIS, or other geometric remote sensing software. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.